The Grading Scale app allows you to calculate the overall grade based on partial grades. Select the main menu and select the Weighted Grade Calculator. In the Weighted Grade Calculation tool, first select the grading scale that you want to use. Select the Add button to add a new partial grade. You can add partial grades using the grade name or the percentage. Click on Save New Grade to finish adding it. And by selecting the partial grades on the list, you can also modify them you can delete them, or you can create new notes from them. The overall grades field shows the results of the partial grades. If all the partial grades have the same total points, then the overall grade is the average of the partial grades, since all the partial grades have the same weight. You can, however, assign each partial grade a different weight. For example, 60 total points for homeworks, 40 total points or percentage for exams. In this example, 40 and 60 represent percentage. So if we add them, we have 100 points or percentage. The overall grade will be the result of the weighted grade of these grades. This tool allows you to do some more complex calculations. Imagine that your grade is made of 60% homeworks and 40% exams. The 60% grade made of homeworks is made of 3 homeworks. Each homework has the same weight. So you can then divide the 60 points between the 3 homeworks, and then each homework will be 20 points. This means that the homework grade is made of the average of the 3 homeworks. Imagine a more complex situation. The exam grade, which is 40%, is made of 2 exams. The first exam is worth only 30% of the grade and the second exam is 60%. To get the first grade, you can multiply the 30% of the first exam with the 40 points. The result is 16 points. To get the second grade, you can multiply the 60% of the second exam with the 40 points. This results in 24 points. Finally, you can add all the partial grades. We will make the first 3 grades 20 total points. And then we are going to add 2 more grades. The first grade, 16 points, and the second grade, 24 points. This is the same that we saw in our previous example. In this example, we see that the total points is 100 points, which is correct. And now, the only thing that we need to do is modifying the grade of each homework and of each exam, and then we will get the overall grade made of the different partial grades.